I'm in Milwaukee, in the Deer District. A vibrant, fun location surrounded by dining and nightlife, looking at the Fiserv Arena. And I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished corporate apartments at the 550 Ultra Lofts. I'm on the balcony of apartment 201, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Just stepped into an open plan living dining kitchen. Looking at high ceilings, exposed ductwork, wide plank flooring, sleek kitchen, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, microwave, 4-burner electric range with a range hood, built-in dishwasher. You have marble veined white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, cutlery, glassware that you'll need to be comfortable staying a while. So side-by-side, washer dryer, front loading. Turning into the living area, comfortably furnished, large screen TV, windows on 2 walls, it's pendant lighting above the breakfast bar. Heading into the primary / master bedroom, it's a home office desk conveniently set up. Closet has additional towels and linens. And you have a wide vanity in the bath with bank of drawers for storage, tub shower combination. Heading toward the 2nd bedroom, looking toward the entry where you have a closet with ironing board and utilities, and then the guest bath, floating vanity, also with drawers for storage, and a walk-in shower. 2nd bedroom, Sweet Home has a variety of apartments at 550 Ultra Lofts in the Deer District, and you'll find that Sweet Home has hotel-like services to make your stay comfortable.